Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning factorization, exercise 12.1. Factorize the following expressions. First problem, 7x minus 42. We had to find the factor. So 7x we can write it as 7 into x. Okay, 42 factors, 7 6 are 42. So what is the common factor in 7x minus 7 6? 7 is the common factor. Take the 7 out from here and x minus 6. So 6p minus 12q. 6p we can write it as 2 into 3 into p. Okay. And find the factors of the 12q. 12q by using the LCM we can find the factors. 12 we can write it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into q. Here, what are the common factors? 2 is there here. Here 2 is the common factor. 1, 3, 3. So 2, 3 is the common factor in 6p and 12q. So 2, 3 is 6. You can take the 6 out from here. The answer is if 2 and 3 is coming out, p is only left. And here 2 is the common and 3 also common. Here 2q is the left out terms. Okay. So answer is 6 into p minus 2q. The factors are 6 and p minus 2q. What are the factors? 6 and p minus 2. So next problem, 7a square plus 14a. So 7a square we can write it as 7 into a plus 14a. We had to find the factors of 14a. So 7 2 is 14. 7 into 2 into a. So what are the common factors in between the 7a square and 14a? Here 7 is the common factor. Here 7 is the common factor. A is the common factor. A is the common factor. So 7 is the common factor. Take the 7a out from here. The remaining terms are a plus 2. So 7a and a plus 2 are the factors. 7a square plus 14a factors are 7a and a plus 2. So next problem, minus 6z plus 20z cube. So first to find the factors of the minus 16z. Okay. By using the LCM, we can find the factors. Okay. 16 we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into z plus 20z cube. We can find the factors by using the LCM. 20z cube 2 into 5 into 2 into z cube. We can write it as 3 times. Z cube means z we can write it as 3 times. Okay. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So 16 z cube z and 20 z cube we can write it as here. So what are the common factors? If you see 2 repeated, here 2 repeated. Okay. Next 2, 2. 2 repeated 2 times. Okay. Next what is the common factor? Z. Okay. So 2 to the 4, 4z is the common factor here. So we can write it as 4z And what are the leftover terms? 2 to the 4 plus 5z square. So 4z and 4 plus 5z squares are the two factors of the above problem. So next problem, 20 L square M plus 30 AL. Okay, 20, how can we factorize by using the LCM? Okay, 2 tens are 20. Next row, 2 fives are 10. 5 ones are 5. Okay, these are the factors of the 20. Same way we can find the 30 factors also. 2 15s are 30. 3 fives are 15. 5 ones are 5. Okay, so 20 L square M, we can write it as, okay, 20 L square M, we can write it as 2 into 2 into 5. L square M, we can write as L into L and M. Okay, that is, we can write it as 30 ALM, we can write it as 2 into 3 into 5 into ALM, we can write as A into L into M. So find the common factors between the 20 L square and 30 AL. Okay. See here 2, here 2 repeated. Next 2 repeated only one time. Okay. Next 5. 5 repeated here and here. Okay. Next L. L repeated here. L repeated here. Next L repeated only one time. So we had to cut only one time. Next M. M. So the common factors we have to write before the bracket. So 2 is the common factor and 5 is the common factor and L. Okay. The leftover terms are here 2, write 2 here, and L plus here 3. Next here A. So 2 5 is 10. 10 LM 2L plus 3. So what are the factors? 10 LM and 2L plus 3 is the common factors. So next problem, 5x square y minus 15x y square. Okay, 5x square y means, how can we write a 5 into x into x into y. Okay, minus 15xy, how can we write 15, 15 factors? 5 3s are 15. 5 into 3. Okay, xy square we can write it as x into y square means y into y. Okay, what are the common factors here? 5, 5, and one more here x, here x. Next x repeated only one time. Next y, y. So here 5xy is the common factor. Take the 5xy out, and what are the leftover numbers? X minus 3y. X minus 3. The common factors are 5xy and x minus y. X minus 3y. So next problem, 10a square minus 15. Next problem, 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. How can we write the 10a square? 10a square factors we have to find it. Okay, by using the LCM we can find 2 5s are 10. Okay, a square we can write a into a. minus 15. 15 we can write as 5 3s are 15. B square we can write it as B into B plus 20. C square means 2 into 5. C square we can write it as C into C. So what are the common factors here? Which number is repeated and which term is repeated? 5 repeated here and here. Okay. After that, A, B, C are not repeated in 3 terms. So take the 5 out from here. Take the 5 out from here, and the remaining numbers are 2 A square minus here 3 B into B means B square plus 4 C into C means C square. So the answer is 5 and 2A square minus 3B square plus 4C square are the factors. We can't 4AB minus 4C. We had to find the factors. Minus 4A square we can write it as minus 2 into 2. A square is A into A plus 4AB we can write it as 2 into 2. AB we can write it as A into B minus 4CA. 4CA we can write it as 2 to 4. C into A. What are the common factors here? 2, 2, 2. Here 2, 2, 2. Next, A is repeated in 3 terms. 4 A is the common factor here. Remaining leftover numbers minus A plus B minus C. So the factors are 4A and minus A plus B minus C. So next problem. X square plus YZ, XY square plus Z plus XYZ square. X square we can write it as X into X, Y into Z plus X we can write Y square we can write it as Y into Y into Z plus X. Z square we can write it as Z into Z. Okay. After writing all the factors, we can just check what are the common factors from here. Okay. X, X, X. These are the 3 terms there. Okay. From these 3 terms, what are the common factors we have to find? X repeated 3 times. Okay. Next, Y repeated here, Y repeated here. Okay. Next, Z repeated here, Z repeated here. Here, what is the common factor? X, Y, Z is repeated in the 3 terms. So, X, Y, Z is the common factor here. You have to take out from here. And then in the bracket, we can write the remaining terms. X plus Y plus Z. Here, X, Y, Z are the leftover terms. So, answer is X, Y, Z and X plus Y plus Z are the factors. Next problem. Ax square y plus bxy square plus cxyz. Ax square y, we can write it as a into x square, we can write it as x into x y plus bxy square, we can write it as b into x into y square, we can write it as y into y plus cxyz, we can write it as c into x into y into z. We have to find the common factors in the 3 terms. Okay. after finding the factors. So, which term is repeated? X is repeated here, X is repeated, and Y also repeated. So, XY is the common factor. So, XY we can write, take from out, and the remaining terms are AX plus BY plus CZ. So, XY and AX plus BY plus CZ are the factors for the above problem.